giving the people of Jamaica assurance that together with the new permanent secretary, that we will go in and begin the process of restoring their trust and confidence in these institutions.
The Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology made significant strides this past year.
We boast some of the largest solar and wind facilities in the Caribbean, with the 20 megawatt Content Solar and the 37 megawatt 8 River facilities, in addition to the 62.7 megawatts Wigton Wind Farm and the 36 megawatts BMR wind facilities.
Mandatory 10-digit dialing took effect on March 31. Wigton Wind Farm Limited was officially listed on the main market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange on May 22. And the government committed more than $1 billion to reducing the cost of electricity supply to the public sector. Upgrades have since been executed at the Maypen Hospital and the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information.
These upgrades are expected to reduce collective electricity demand, which at current rates translates to more than $41 million in savings.
This is the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology's 2019 Year in Review.
We understand the growing need for connectivity for our people and the need to create a digitally inclusive society where no one is left behind.
As such, Emancipation Park in Kingston became Jamaica's 7th free public Wi-Fi location. The Universal Service Fund USF opened 2 more community access point CAP sites.
I want to applaud USF for the critical work that they're doing in extending the infrastructure to Jamaicans in unserved and underserved communities to have easy and reliable access to the internet.
University students and graduates now have a medium to earn valuable work experience in the energy industry through the opening of the Innovation Lab or iLab.
With the plethora of changes anticipated, we need a cohort of young people who are equipped with the skills and competencies to lead the energy revolution.
eGov Jamaica Limited also started the process of being ISO 27001 certified. This will help to strengthen Jamaica's cybersecurity apparatus. 2019 also saw Jamaica becoming a signatory to the International Solar Alliance ISA. This gives the island access to $100 billion for investment opportunities within the solar power sector. Meanwhile, eLearning Jamaica handed over 46 computers to the Jamaica Physiotherapy Association.
More and more health practitioners are utilizing smart devices, such as tablets, to aid in patient care and diagnosis, as it offers greater access to records and information in real time.
Under the new government electrical regulator GER, the wait time for persons to have their houses or buildings approved for electricity was drastically cut.
We are saying to the certified electricians, you have a chance now to become a certified inspector. And so we will dramatically increase the number of inspectors that are available to come out and take a look at the jobs of all the electricians, all the inspectors.
Jamaica established itself as a premier liquefied natural gas LNG hub with the commissioning of New Fortress Energy's floating storage and regasification terminal.
The long-term contracts that are being signed will ensure that there's price stability and that these will endure to the benefit of Jamaicans.
The 37 megawatt solar plant at Paradise Park in Westmoreland was also opened and commissioned in 2019. JPS's 25 megawatt hybrid energy storage system on Marcus Garvey Drive was also commissioned. The ministry re-established the Jamaica Energy Council JEC to continue the implementation of policy and sustainable development of the island's energy sector. The operations of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica were also subsumed into the ministry. This allowed the ministry to have a more comprehensive grasp of the nation's energy sector. The Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology has been continuing the work and laying the foundation to help Jamaica attain its Vision 2030 goals.